He is the most loving little jackass, though. He, like, just tried to climb my fucking leg, like Red used to do. And he just wants to stay with me and get his kisses. He's so cute. Can you hear him purring? Hear him purring? What? Oh. You little jerk. You little jerk. Hmm? Fuck, I don't want to give him away. Look at this little fucker. Fuck. How the fuck do you keep 4 fucking cats in a fucking rented house? I mean, this is so stupid. What the fuck's the matter with me? Look at him. He's so fucking cute, though. He's so cute. Little chooch. You little fucking chooch. For a wild little jackass, he is very loving. He is. He's a loving little bitch. Right? Right? What? What? Look at this face. Look at this face. I can't. This is going to be really hard giving this little guy away. Yeah. We'll see what happens. He's going to get a good home, though. He's going to get a good home. I can't. You're such a jackass.